Okay, picture this. You just discovered Seedance 2.0, the most insane AI video model on the planet. You spent 10 minutes crafting the perfect prompt, the lighting, the camera move, the mood, everything. You're shaking with excitement. You hit generate, and boom, out of credits. Please upgrade to Pro. That's it. You were so close. You can literally see the magic, but a paywall just slammed the door in your face. Frustrating, demoralizing. We've all been there. But don't worry, I am Alex, and today I will show you the top 5 AI video generators that provide Seedance 2.0 for free. No credit card, no pro plan, just pure, unlimited creative firepower. And listen, stick around till the very end, because tool number 1 is an absolute mind-blowing secret backdoor that almost nobody is talking about. It's owned by the same company that built Seedance, which means it quietly bypasses every single paywall you just got blocked by. If you're a creator, this one tool alone changes everything, so watch the full video because I'm saving the best for last. Let's go. Okay, so starting off our list at number 5, we have EaseMate.ai. If you are running a YouTube automation channel, you need to bookmark this site right now. Before we even touch the video generator, this site randomly gives you free access to massive text models like Gemini 3.1 Pro and GPT-5 for your scripts and research. It's an all-in-one suite, but let's get to the good stuff. Click on Create Video. When you open it, you'll see a whole lineup of heavy-hitter models: Kling, Wan AI, Google, and of course, Seedance. Let's select Seedance 2.0 Pro Fast. I'm going to paste in a crazy cinematic prompt. A massive meteor crashes into a calm ocean at night, creating a giant explosion of fire and water. The camera slowly pulls back from underwater to reveal the full destruction from space. We are going with 16:9, 480p, and 5 seconds. Let's hit generate. Okay, it takes a little bit of time to create, which usually means it's actually rendering good quality. And look at this result. It's actually pretty wild. But I promise to be 100% honest with you guys. This clip is only 480p. Why? Because when you first log in, they only give you 30 starting credits. Here is the twist though. If you go to their Earn Credits page, you can easily game the system. Do your daily check-ins, join their Discord, or watch a quick ad, and your credits will stack up fast. Once you stack those free credits, you can unlock full 1080p Seedance 2.0 generation. In fact, these clips playing on screen right now, I generated these myself directly inside EaseMate, and the 1080p quality is absolutely amazing. Both text-to-video and image-to-video work flawlessly. EaseMate is amazing if you don't mind doing the daily check-ins to build up your bank. But what if you want 720p and 1080p Seedance access right now, completely free, with absolutely zero grinding? Well, let me show you tool number 4. Coming in at number 4, we have OpenArt AI. Now wait, I know what you're thinking. Alex, this is a paid tool. But listen, if you watch until the end of this video, I'm going to share a 100% working trick to claim 20,000 free credits. I'll leave the link to this tool in the description below. Personally, I absolutely love OpenArt because it has almost everything an AI creator could ever need. You get access to the latest image generation models, powerful AI video models, consistent character generation, LoRa training, image editing, and so many other creator-focused features, all in one platform. In fact, I already made a dedicated video on OpenArt, so if you want to learn how to create AI videos or even make money using AI tools, make sure to check it out from the I button above after watching this video. Now, let's jump into the video generator. As you can see, OpenArt gives you multiple generation modes, including start and end frame, and text with reference, which are perfect for creating smooth cinematic videos with consistent motion. For this demo, I'm using a cinematic prompt where a girl walks through a busy city, snaps her fingers, and instantly freezes the entire world around her. People stop mid-step, pigeons freeze in the air, and everything becomes completely still. Let's hit generate and see what OpenArt creates. Now let's hit generate, and awesome! It's now in the generation queue. I'm really excited to see the final output and the quality of the generated scenes. Looking forward to the results. Look at these results. Honestly, this looks absolutely incredible. The cinematic camera movement, lighting, consistency, and overall video quality are seriously impressive. Now, here's something really interesting. By default, OpenArt gives new users 40 free credits. But while researching, I came across a Reddit post where a user shared a method to claim 20,000 free OpenArt credits. After reading through the comments, multiple people confirmed that it actually worked. I tried it myself, and yes, I was also able to claim the 20,000 credits. You can see it right here on the screen. Keep in mind that this appears to be a limited-time promotional event, so if it's still available, I highly recommend claiming it as soon as possible. I'll leave the Reddit post and the claim link in the description below. However, if the offer has already expired or doesn't work for you anymore, don't worry. Because the number 3 AI video generator I'm about to show you gives you another fantastic way to access Seedance 2.0 for free, and honestly, it might be even better. Okay, OpenArt AI was good, but what if you don't want to watch ads or do daily tasks? What if you just want to log in and get free Seedance generations instantly? That brings us to tool number 3, SeaArt.ai. SeaArt is massive, and they have a hidden mechanic that most beginners completely ignore. It's called stamina. Look closely right here at my screen. The second I logged in today, they handed me 130 free stamina points as a daily benefit. Here is the crazy part. This isn't a one-time trial. That stamina fully resets every single 24 hours. You wake up, you get a fresh 130 points, and you can fire off high-quality AI video generations every single day without spending a single rupee. But hold on! SeaArt is technically an aggregator. What if you want to bypass the middleman completely? What if I told you there is an open-source developer backdoor to get Seedance 2.0? Let's talk about the craziest one on this list. Tool number 2. Alright, tool number 2 is something 99% of people do not know about. You won't find a video timeline here. We are going completely behind the scenes into a developer tool called Coz.com. It looks just like ChatGPT, right? Just a text box. But here's the secret hack. Coz is owned by ByteDance, the exact same parent company that owns CapCut and Dreamina Seedance. Because they are owned by the same company, you can talk to a video generation bot inside Coz, give it your prompts, and tell it to use the Seedance 2.0 model. The bot does all the heavy lifting in the background. It doesn't render it in the chat. It uses ByteDance's backend API to build the video, and then it hands you a direct, unlisted CapCut link with your finished video. You are literally bypassing the paywalls by using their own developer bot network against them. It is absolutely amazing. But what if you don't want to use APIs, bots, or third-party aggregators? What if you want the fast, pure, native 1080p experience straight from the source? Well, that brings us to the undisputed king of this list. Tool number 1. And finally, tool number 1. Why go through third-party sites when you can go straight to the king? The absolute best place to generate Seedance 2.0 videos is its official native home, Dreamina by CapCut. But there is a catch. If you live in certain countries and you try to go to the Dreamina website right now, you are going to see a screen that looks just like this. Coming up soon, or no permission. They geo-block the site. Here is the 5-second cheat code. Turn on any free VPN on your browser, set it to the United States, and boom. The gate unlocks. You now have access to the absolute fastest, highest quality 1080p Seedance 2.0 generator on the internet, directly from the creators themselves, completely free. Out of all 5 tools, Dreamina gives you the purest results. Link is in the description. If this video helped you bypass the paywalls, Hit subscribe for more daily AI secrets, and I'll see you in the next one.